Okay, so what we're going to do here is we're going to work on exercise 24 from Troy Stetina's lead guitar primer. And what we're going to be doing is doing the bending thing where we're going to do the bend, but also play the note here, the same note. This is going to be an E, and we're going to bend to an E on the G string. But we're going to play an E on the B string. This is the 5th fret. And then we got to bend this up to an E. Now the trick to it is making sure this note does not move. You don't move your finger up or down, because just a little bit of movement and it can start to make things sound a little out of tune. So that's the trick, and that's the hard part, and that's going to be the struggle trying to get over, is trying to bend while this finger's staying right there. Now, keep at it. It will be difficult, but keep at it. If you keep at it, you're going to get it. And if you can get that down, it's going to make you sound so much better. The worst thing you hear is, even if someone can fly around the neck, when they play bends and they're not hitting it, this is worth putting the time into. Now, make sure the pitches are exactly. And again, you'll get it after a while. You'll just do your best until you get there. But you're going to get bored just doing that over and over. But you're going to have to do some of that. But maybe you want to just make it into a little lick. So we'll do the bend here. Then you hit this is actually a C note, the 5th fret on the G string, and then we're going to hit the A, which is the 7th fret on the D string. So we're just adding these two notes. So yeah, you just and what you do is you get a backing track. This is from the pentatonic scale, A minor pentatonic. So what you're going to do is put on a track for the A minor. Go to YouTube and say rock guitar backing track in the key of A minor. And then you just sit there and you listen and try to find a good place to stick that in. Okay, here it goes. There. Here we go. It's going to sound cool. And then wait. Oh, it's gonna sound cool here. No, there isn't really a backing track going, but we're just pretending here. So yes, do that. Now, depending on the song you're playing, you may have to change the phrasing. So if in the perfect world, if this was that was the phrasing that fit the song good. But if you did something like this, that wouldn't fit in correctly. So you're going to have to adjust that to the song, but the backing track. But yeah, do that, because what you're doing there is, instead of just doing an exercise over and over, you're actually applying it to music. And that's so important. Anything you learn, you want to apply to music.